For this segment, I'm going to take you through how to add your Mr2 receiver to your City2 control board and have it so your top button on your remote will be your start function and the bottom button on your remote will be your pedestrian function. So firstly, our Mr2 receiver has 4 channels, and to plug it in we want to observe where the little shadow line is to plug it into the board. So button at the bottom of the board. There we go. So our Mr2 has 4 channels. The first channel being a start function, second channel being a pedestrian function, third channel being your stop function, and your fourth channel being your auxiliary relay, which is 10 amps rated at 230 volts. But we want to do our start function first, so I'm going to press the button once on the receiver and we'll see it flash one pause indicating channel 1. And while it's doing that, I'm going to press and hold my top button for a few seconds and release, and we'll wait for it to time out, and that should have us with our top button on our remote as a start function. So it's tell 1 on the control board to let me know that the remote has been programmed into channel 1. So I'll wait for it to stop. There we go, and press the button again, tell 1 on the control board, and there we go. So I'm just going to stop it in the middle there, and we're going to program our bottom button as a pedestrian function. So I'm going to press the button on the receiver twice because it's channel 2 is our pedestrian function. So 1, 2, and it should flash 2 times and pause. So whilst it's doing that, I'll press and hold my bottom button on the remote and release, and that's added. So we'll wait for the receiver to stop flashing, and now when I press that bottom button we should see tell 2 come up on the control. So we should press it now, TEL2, to let me know that that button has been programmed into channel 2. There we go. So that will be our pedestrian function. So that's how you add your start function and your pedestrian function. To access the third channel, which is your stop function, you just press the receiver button 3 times and you will see the light flash 3 times. And if I press it again, it should flash 4 times and pause. And if you press the button on a remote during this time, that would have that program channeled for you. So that's how you program and add an Mr2 to your City2 control board.